Without education, there's no life.
The team at the training station has been producing audio-visual content since the 1980s, training internationally since the 90s. And in 2001, we founded the BBC's international online learning platform, also called iLearn. We built 140 modules in 24 languages and trained thousands of professionals from Afghanistan to Yemen. Since then, we've been delivering training as text, graphics,
So we created the knowledge base that allows the robot
يحدد الدستور من له الحق في الترشح.
animations, naive and sophisticated, interviews with experts,
Sujet sans trouver le sujet, l'histoire, on va dire.
filmed lectures,
Children's need for play is
set up demonstrations. We've even introduced drama, all to fit the subject and the client. We believe in putting the life back into learning.